Hello friends, subscribe my channel. This video is helpful in the writing module. How to brainstorm idea for essay. A new way to brainstorm idea, frame the point effective essay. If in the exam question will put on the advertisement, then you will put on this point on your exam sheet and you will receive good marks. Positive points. Let's start now. Advertisements are an important part of modern business and they make people aware of multitude of the world that are valuable in the market. Second point, advertisement industry employ the thousands of the people. Now, third point, one advertisement or creative and enhance the various art form. Now, on the side of the conflict, negative point, advertisement however tend to the nature customer rise by enticing in the people to spend the on product. Second point, advertisement are very expensive and their cost include in the price of the product and hanging them. Thanks for watching this video.